Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day so far. So today I'm here with another video and it's going to be abs. So get ready and let's go. So on today's workout, we're going to be needing just two main things. The first one is a mat, and the second one is going to be some dumbbells, though it's optional. So our first workout is Flutter kicks, and I'm going to be showing you in the bit. The first thing you have to do is lie straight on the mat and make sure your cores are engaged. Then you lift your leg up, and the second one, so like you're kicking back and forth, and make sure you engage your core muscles. Our next workout is reaching oblique crunches. Next workout is Pilates side hip raise. You can see, like I'm doing in this video, bend your knees and raise your hip. Our next workout is Russian twist, and I'm going to be showing you the two different variations. The first one is going to be with some weights, and the second one is going to be without weights. So this is the first one with some weights. And here we have the second one without weights. So basically it's just about what you prefer. You can either use some weights, like some really light weight, or you just prefer to go hands-free. So it all depends on you. Our next workout is toe touch crunches. So raise your legs up and try as much as you can to touch your toe, like I'm doing in this video. Our next workout is Pilates toe taps. Raise your legs up like I'm doing in this video, tap your toes, then you bring one leg up and then the next leg down. Pretty easy, and just keep going back and forth. So that will be all for our today's abs workout. I hope you had a great time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.